Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to discuss about the power of 16 to 8 fasting. In a world where dietary trends and wellness fads come and go with the seasons, one approach to eating has steadily gained popularity and garnered attention from both the scientific community and health-conscious individuals. It's called the 16 to 8 fasting method, and it's not just a temporary diet but a lifestyle choice that offers a multitude of health benefits. This time-restricted eating pattern, also known as intermittent fasting, involves fasting for 16 hours each day and restricting your eating to an 8-hour window. The 16 to 8 fasting method has been hailed as a powerful tool for weight management, improved metabolism, better blood sugar control, and even enhanced cognitive function. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. In this video, we'll explore the science behind 16 to 8 fasting and its transformative potential in promoting overall health and well-being. Understanding the 16 to 8 fasting method. Before diving into the benefits of 16 to 8 fasting, it's essential to understand how it works. The concept is remarkably simple. You spend 16 hours of the day fasting, followed by an 8-hour eating window. Typically, individuals choose to skip breakfast and start eating around noon, concluding their last meal by 8 p.m. This means you're essentially extending the natural fasting period that occurs overnight while you sleep and incorporating it into your daily routine. During the fasting phase, you abstain from calorie consumption but can still drink water, herbal teas, and black coffee. These beverages help curb hunger and provide hydration, making the fasting period more manageable. The fasting window allows your body to enter a state of ketosis, where it primarily burns stored fat for energy instead of glucose. This shift in energy metabolism is one of the key mechanisms behind the benefits of 16 to 8 fasting. Weight management and fat loss. One of the most significant draws of 16 to 8 fasting is its potential for weight management and fat loss. When you extend the fasting period, your body taps into its fat stores for energy. This can lead to a reduction in body fat percentage over time, making it an effective tool for those seeking to shed excess weight. Additionally, the limited eating window naturally restricts calorie intake. Many people find it challenging to consume as many calories in an 8-hour window compared to spreading their meals throughout the day, which can lead to a caloric deficit. Combined with the fat-burning effects of fasting, this can contribute to sustainable weight loss. Several studies have supported the effectiveness of 16 to 8 fasting for weight management. In one study published in the journal Obesity in 2015, participants who followed the 16 to 8 fasting pattern experienced a significant reduction in fat mass while preserving lean muscle mass compared to those who ate regularly throughout the day. Improved metabolism and insulin sensitivity. 16 to 8 fasting has also been linked to improved metabolic health and insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels, and when your cells become resistant to insulin, it can lead to type 2 diabetes. Time-restricted eating can help enhance insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to control blood sugar levels effectively. A study published in the journal Cell Metabolism in 2018 found that participants who practiced time-restricted eating, like the 16 to 8 method, experienced improved insulin sensitivity and reduced insulin levels. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals at risk of developing diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels more effectively. Cellular autophagy and longevity. Beyond its effects on weight and metabolism, 16 to 8 fasting has garnered attention for its potential impact on cellular autophagy, a process that plays a crucial role in cellular health and longevity. Autophagy is the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new ones. It's like a cellular recycling system that helps remove cellular waste and promote healthy cell function. During the fasting period, autophagy is upregulated, meaning that it becomes more active. This heightened autophagic activity can help the body repair and rejuvenate cells, potentially contributing to increased longevity and reduced risk of age-related diseases. Cognitive benefits and brain health. Emerging research also suggests that 16 to 8 fasting may offer cognitive benefits and support brain health. The brain relies on a steady supply of energy, primarily in the form of glucose. When glucose levels remain stable, cognitive function tends to be sharper. However, the constant spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels associated with frequent eating can lead to cognitive fluctuations and brain fog. By practicing 16 to 8 fasting, you can help regulate blood sugar levels and maintain stable energy throughout the day, which may result in improved focus, mental clarity, and cognitive performance. Some studies have even indicated that intermittent fasting can enhance the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that plays a vital role in brain function and plasticity. Tips for a successful 16-8 fasting experience. While the 16-8 fasting method offers numerous potential benefits, it's essential to approach it in a way that suits your individual needs and preferences. Here are some tips to help you make the most of your 16-8 fasting experience. Stay hydrated. During the fasting period, drink plenty of water, herbal teas, or black coffee to stay hydrated and help curb hunger. Plan balanced meals. When you break your fast, focus on nutrient-dense, balanced meals that provide essential vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. If you're hungry outside of your eating window, consider adjusting your fasting hours or choosing a different eating pattern that suits you better. Be consistent. Consistency is key to reaping the benefits of 16-8 fasting. Try to maintain a consistent eating window and fasting period each day. Consult a healthcare professional. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any fasting regimen. Conclusion. The 16-8 fasting method, with its 16-hour fasting window and 8-hour eating window, has gained recognition as a powerful tool for weight management, improved metabolism, better blood sugar control, enhanced cognitive function, and potential longevity. This approach to time-restricted eating offers a balanced and sustainable way to achieve health and wellness goals while allowing individuals to maintain flexibility in their daily lives. As with any dietary or lifestyle change, it's crucial to approach 16-8 fasting mindfully and consult with a healthcare professional if needed. With dedication and proper planning, many have found that the power of 16-8 fasting can be a transformative force in their pursuit of a healthier, happier life. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.